Want to snag that must-save item without breaking the bank all at once? Let's dive into how you can use Afterpay, the popular buy now, pay later service, right here in Europe. First things first, Afterpay's availability in Europe isn't universal. It varies by country. Check the Afterpay website or app to see if it's available in your specific location. Next, find retailers that partner with Afterpay. Many popular online and in-store shops offer Afterpay as a payment option at checkout. Look for the Afterpay logo. Once you've found the perfect item at a participating retailer, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. During checkout, select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll be redirected to Afterpay to create an account or log in if you already have one. Afterpay will split your purchase into 4 equal installments. Due every 2 weeks, you'll typically pay the first installment right away. Make sure to link a debit or credit card to your Afterpay account, and keep an eye on your payment schedule within the Afterpay app to avoid late fees. And that's it. You can now enjoy your purchase while managing your budget with flexible payments. Remember to use Afterpay responsibly and only buy what you can comfortably afford.